Okay. So what is Mulesoft? Anyone having any idea?
Mulesoft is an integration tool to transfer the data between the two systems.
Very good. Perfect. So first of all, Mulesoft is nothing but it is one of the company. Okay. Mulesoft is a company. Okay. So first of all, why they mention this name as Mulesoft? There is a reason behind this. What is the general meaning of mule?
To avoid donkey work.
Very good. So to eliminate the donkey work, okay, we need to deliver, our work in a soft and smooth manner. So that's why they mention this name as a Mulesoft. Okay. So Mulesoft is nothing but it is a integration tool. Okay. This is developed by the Mulesoft company and started in the year 2006. And recently 3 years back, Salesforce acquired this organization in the 2018. Okay, that's why huge demand in the market. There are huge, so many openings are there in the market, and the packages will be high. Okay, you cannot imagine. Okay, you will not get packages in other technologies like this. Okay, this tool you can learn in the span of 30 to 35 days. Okay, very simple and very easy, no coding, nothing. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, it eliminates the donkey work. My voice is audible, is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
Shravan, it's clear.
Yeah, perfect. Now, so Mulesoft, as we discussed, Mulesoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. What do you mean by integration?
Data transfer.
Okay,
Combination.
integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration. Okay, here we have two definitions of it. One is general definition, another one is technical definition. Technical means in Mulesoft how we are going to call this integration. You can see here this is integration, general definition. So what do you mean by integration? The communication between any two is known as integration, like between two softwares or between two humans. This we can call it as integration. Coming to technical definition, integration is nothing but it is a technology which is used to transport and transform the data between the end systems. Here, what do you mean by end system? End system is nothing but our target system. Okay, what do you mean by target system? See, the target system or end system, it could be anything. It could be SAP, it could be Salesforce, it could be file service, it could be database, could be mobile or web. Okay, that means here integration is nothing but we are going to exchange the data between two applications, right? This is the one of the end system, target system. Okay, clear or any questions?
Clear?
Okay, perfect. So this is about integration. Okay, so if you want to learn this Mulesoft, okay, what and all these softwares required? Okay, if you learn any technology, there will be some set of softwares. Okay, by using this set of softwares only, we are going to implement anything. If you want to design any application, so we need to use some softwares. Okay, in all the languages we are going to use some set of softwares, right? So if you are working with Java, so you need Eclipse, correct? If you are working with the .NET, you need to C Sharp, ASP.NET, everything you require. Okay, similarly, if you want to work with the MuleSoft, we need some basic set of softwares. Okay, so here first one is Anypoint platform. Okay, this Anypoint platform is one of the application. It will be we can sign up this application. This sign up will be much similar to our Facebook or Gmail. Okay, just it will ask you some basic details. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'll come here. I'll just type any point platform login. Just type it, click on this. If you don't have account, just type like this. Okay, see here it is asking full name, email ID, phone number, company. Okay, this is the username and then password. Okay, we have to provide these details. That's it. Click on these two checkboxes and accept it so that we can create our account very easily. Okay, so this link I'm gonna post in the chat box. Try to copy paste. Okay, this is how we can sign up with this application. Second one, Anypoint Studio. Okay, Anypoint Studio is nothing but this is one of the tool, Eclipse based tool. Here we are going to start our actual development. Okay, so in this Anypoint platform, what we'll do, we are going to design an application. We will design our application. Okay, next, whatever application you design, so that design you have to import to this studio and you have to start your development. Okay, once your development is completed, you have to test your application. Okay, if you want to test your application externally, you have to use the tool called Postman. Okay, first let me show you how to download this Anypoint Studio. So this is the Anypoint Studio. Okay, don't worry, I am going to explain, complete 1 hour session about this Anypoint Studio, Anypoint platform. Just today I'm showing, very basic. Next, come here, Anypoint Studio download. Just type this. Okay, click on this. So you will get this page. Okay, here it is showing, 30 days free trial account, but it is not 30 days, it will be lifetime. Okay, here you can select the software, whatever the software, sorry, OS. If you are using Mac OS or Linux or Windows, you can select. In my case, I'm using Mac. Agree this and just click on the download so that it will be downloaded automatically. Okay. Next one is the Postman. Postman is also very simple. Just come here, Postman download. Just click on this. All these are all, open source. So here also same way, based on your operating system, you can select either Mac or Linux or Windows. Okay. Now let me copy this and then post it. Okay. Now these are the basic softwares. Okay, if we have these three softwares, okay, we can design our application, we can develop our application, we can deploy our applications to Cloud Hub as well. Okay, and apart from this, okay, we have to learn extra these two things, Git and GitHub. Okay, this is not related to Mulesoft. Okay, this is related to, okay, these are the DevOps tools. But why I included here, if you are working with any technology, XYZ technology, I mean, if you are working in Java, .NET, C or C++, ABAP, okay, anything. So what you guys will do, once you develop the code, what you have to do? You have to push your code to the GitHub, okay? Or else, if you joined recently any one of the organization, the project is already existing project, okay, what you have to do? The project will be, they will keep all their projects in the GitHub. So immediately after completion, see, suppose if you join today in the organization, what they will do, they will provide KT. KT is nothing but knowledge translation. Okay, here what we will do, they are going to explain about the project. Okay, so they will explain that project, 2 to 3 days. After that, immediately what they will do, they will say, hey boss, our project is located in the so and so repository. Try to download that repository. Okay, in that repository project code is there, try to download that code. Okay, simply they will say like this. If you don't know how to download that code, how to import that code, or how to clone that code to your local, okay, there only they will come to know you don't have, like, proper genuine experience. Okay, so that's why I added these two softwares, Git and GitHub. Okay, this is, DevOps tools, but I added here. Anyone having any idea about this Git and GitHub? You guys are using in the organization?
No.
Okay.
No.
No idea.
Okay. No worries.
GitHub is something like, it's a cloud thing, like, might people working in different location, they can access the code.
Yes, correct. That is what I'm saying. Whatever the projects which you are working, okay, in your organization, there are multiple projects, right, in your organization. What they will do, all their projects, they will keep in the GitHub repository. If I'll keep, complete entire project code in my machine, okay. Suppose if I left the organization, what will happen? Okay, that code will be there in my local machine. Machine is nothing but our laptop. Okay, so if I resign, today, what will happen? This, okay, this entire laptop I need to submit to them. Okay, so that other developer, what they will do, he cannot access my code, right? So that's why what they will do every day. And one more thing, whenever, I'm working with this application, okay, if my machine is crashed or restarted, so that what will happen? So I'm gonna lose my entire code. Okay, that is the another disadvantage. So that's why every day, if you change anything in the code, immediately you have to push your code to the Git or GitHub. Okay, how we are going to achieve this, that I'm going to explain you. So I will take separate sessions for this, at least 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to talk about this Git and GitHub so that I can explain you how to push our code to the GitHub or how to clone that project into our local machine. Okay, that I'm going to explain. And one more thing, Slack. Have you heard about Slack? Many
No.
people, they didn't heard about the Slack.
No.
Have you heard
No.
about?
No,
Yes.
no.
Okay, got it. Many people heard about this.
Yeah, I know,
See,
Kishore. Yeah.
yeah, perfect. So many people, they don't aware of this Slack only because few of the, organization, they'll use this Slack. I hope you guys heard about, MS Teams, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So this Teams, Skype, the Slack, these are all, communication tools. Okay. If you join organization, any one of the organization, they will have any one of these Slack or MS Teams or Zoom or Skype. Okay, what they will do, they are going to set up our meetings in this communication channels so that we can communicate with each other who and all working in the same organization. We can send some messages to other audience and all. So this is just for communication purpose. So here you can add, Teams as well. Okay, so these are the basic setup softwares required. Okay, now here any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, I have one question. So are we going to install all the softwares in the real time?
Yeah, like
Yes.
Anypoint Studio, Postman, these all are required, and Anypoint platform is like, online. We can access that by using URL.
Correct.
And GitHub, yeah, that is also you need to install, and Slack as well.
Git
Uh,
bash we need to install. GitHub is also, we will
yeah,
get the link. Same. Okay.
yeah.
But my question is, are we going to install all the softwares in the
No,
real time?
no.
Then
This
how
will
can
take
we?
care by IT team.
Okay, let me explain. So this, it maybe depends on organization to organization. That means, okay, in some of the organizations, let me imagine if I take very big organizations, big MNCs, what they will do, they will have, separate software ticketing tools. Okay, service now. Okay, like some other ticketing tools will be there. What we need to do, so we need to raise a request for all the softwares. Say suppose if you join Java developer in the organization, what they will do, what and all the softwares required for Java developer, he will get a mail saying that, hey, so you need to install all these required softwares, to work with the current project. Please try to, uh, raise a request for all the required software. You will get a checklist like this. Okay, you will get a mail. Okay. Suppose if you are a Mulesoft developer, you will get like this. Anypan platform, Studio, Postman, Git, GitHub, Slack, okay, Java, JDK 1.8. Like this, they will give you list of softwares. So what we need to do, we have to directly go to the ticketing tool service now. What we need to do, we have to select, we need to type all these software. See, suppose if I want to buy an iPhone, what I will do,
We'll go to office iPhone official store.
iPhone official, or what I will do, I can go with Amazon or Flipkart.
Yeah.
Correct. See here,
Yes.
there are different, sites will be there. Let me go to this Flipkart. So here, what I will do, see whatever the product I want. If I want iPhone 13, okay, what I'll do, I'll click on this so that here I can see all the related info. Similarly, in the organization also, whatever the sheet they provided, based on this, we need to type here. So suppose if I want to download any point studio, just I'm going to type like here, we will not get, okay, any point studio. If I'll get this, so that I may get some list. Okay, what I can do, I am going to add these items to cart. Correct. So if I want to buy this iPhone, what I'll do, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to add to cart. Correct. See, it got added. So in the software center also, similarly, we need to add all the required softwares to cart. Okay, finally, what we will do, we are going to place a order. There, what we will do, there is an option called submit. So you have to click on that submit. As soon as you click on that submit, what will happen? Immediately a mail trigger will goes to your corresponding manager. Okay, what your manager will do, he is going to check all the list of softwares, whether all the softwares is required to this guy or not. He will cross check. Okay, once if he's, if he feel okay, then what he will do, he will approve. Okay, so as soon as he will approve, immediately again he will get a mail trigger saying that, okay, you got approval for the below software, please install it. Okay, then again what you have to do, you have to go to that software centers. Okay, if you just type any Punch Studio, there it will be option called download or install. You just download it and install it. That's it. Postman, any point platform. Okay, this GitHub, this and all, you will get a link. Okay, so that link also you will get it from your manager, line manager, or someone. Okay, so that we are going to install like this. This is, it is going to happen in the big MNCs. Suppose if you take, some mid-level companies. Okay, what these guys will do. Okay, they don't have, any ticketing tools and all. Why? Because these are all very costly. Okay, so that's why they will not maintain this. what they will do, what and all they, if you want any kind of software, what you have to do, you have to, there will be in the office portal again, that is not ticketing to this. What you have to do, you have to raise a request. That means you need to raise a ticket. Okay, there you will get option raise a ticket. Ticket is for what? Laptop, software, okay, or network issue, anything. You will get some couple of options there. You can select the software, click on that software, and you will get one body. Okay, in that you have to provide all this. I need all these softwares and the versions. Okay, you have to write it, and you have to raise a request. Once you raise a request, what will happen, you will get one ticket ID. Okay, so that ticket is going to assign to some network engineer. What this network engineer will do, he is going to check this one. Okay, and he will contact with you. Okay, then what this guy will do, he is going to access your machine, and he is going to install all the required software. Okay, this is how it is going to happen in the mid-level company. Okay, and what about startups and new organization, what they will do, here they don't have all these tools. Okay, if it is open source, simply they will say, hey, you can download directly from the Google. There what we can do, directly we can download. How we are going to doing now, similarly they are going to follow like this. Clear? Any questions here?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yep, clear.
Okay, so this is how we can download all the list of softwares. Okay, next. So what are the highlights of this Mulesoft? So why we want to learn this Mulesoft? Okay, first thing is easy installation of AnyPoint Studio. The installation is not a complex, it is bit easy of this AnyPoint Studio. And moreover, you can see UI controls, more than 350 plus components or connectors are there. Okay, so by using these components or connectors, what we can do, we can connect with any end system. So suppose if I come back here, you can see what and all you can see here: logger, listener, request, transform message. These and all the components are connected. You can see there are so many components are connected. Okay, like this, more than 350 components or connectors will be. Okay, here hardly 50 components or connectors will be there. But I told you more than 350 components I told. Okay, so if I want to connect with the Salesforce, just type Salesforce. So you can see all the Salesforce related components are connected. Okay, if I want to connect with the database, if I want to connect with the database, see, I got all this. Okay, like this, more than 350 components will be there. By using these components or connectors, okay, you can integrate anything. You can integrate any kind of applications very easily. Okay, so that's why most of the organization they'll use this Mulesoft, and they'll prefer this Mulesoft as well. And apart from this, we have data view and data sense. Basically, data view is nothing but it is a functional programming language. Okay, what this data view will do, it will help you faster implementation of complex transformation. Say suppose we are getting the data in the XML format. Okay, but target system, it will not accept XML system. It will accept some CSV format or JSON format. So by using this data view, what we will do, we can convert our entire source system into different target system. Here we are going to write the business logic over here. Okay. So this is, heart of, this MuleSoft. Okay. And we have well established partner ecosystem resources, and we have awesome documentation and training videos support on MuleSoft. Suppose if I log into this Anypoint platform. Okay, so once we log in this, you can see here, click on this question mark. You can see here documentation. Okay, you will get the awesome documentation here for each and every concept. They provided this documentation. Okay, click on this documentation. Whatever you want, you can browse it over here. See, all the concepts will be here. Whatever we are going to use, everything we can see it here. Okay, so click on this. See, like this, we can read this. Okay, and apart from that, we have some forums. So here, what we will do, if you are facing any issue, okay, that what you can do, you can directly post it over here. You can ask a question. So many experts will be there in this forum. What they will do, they are going to answer your question. Or else, if you have, question related to any specific topic, like related to platform, or related to connectors, or related to data view, okay, or studio or runtime manager, so that you can directly click on this. Say suppose if you are facing issue with the data, just click on this. And already some people, they posted some questions that you can see here in the down. Okay, apart from that, if you have any other question, okay, that again you can post it over here. Already few of them, they posted questions here. Okay, if the question is related to you, you can see that answer as well. Okay, if you are not able to find your question here, again you can post it over here. Okay, this is the another advantage of using this also. Okay, and inbuilt we have monitoring tools, policies, and log tracking. So if we come here, we have inbuilt monitoring tools, visualizers. You can see here secrets manager and all everything. Okay, and also we have, by using this, we can set up some policies. So policy means what? Anyone having any idea? So
Policy is nothing but who can be access this one, like what are the protocols we need to follow,
very good.
and SLS, everything will be comes under the policies.
Very good. Perfect answer. So here policy is nothing but, so suppose our API will be there. Okay, this API who can access? Okay, that we can restrict to here. How many times I can access this API? So by using this policies, I can set up this policy. Okay, how many people will use? Okay, for a minute, how many times I want to use this? Like this, I can restrict this. Okay, so if you are logging with any application, if you take any food related applications like Zomato or Swiggy, so initially for first time user, what they will do, they will give you some flat 100 rupees or 150 off. Like this, you will get one coupon, right? So that coupon is valid only once, right? After that, next time, why it will not valid same coupon?
Time
Why?
expires.
Huh?
No, no, no. Like they offer in only for the first time user.
First time user, that means if you log in with the new credentials, you can access only once. but you cannot access second time. Why? Because they are going to restrict that, you know, code coupon. So what they will do, they are going to set up some policy, okay, rate limiting policy like that. Okay, they are going to restrict the policy. Okay, if you want to access two times that, one time or three times, that we can set up here. How we are going to set up this, I will show you, okay, in the comment section. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. And so this is the real time, API lifecycle. This, once we cover all these topics, we can understand this very easily. Okay, now we cannot understand, even though if I explain this, I'm going to skip this. Okay, and again, apart from this MuleSoft, what and all the other integration tools will be there? You can see here Apigee, Tipcode, Delbumi, IBM, Talent, Oracle, WSO2, Workato, SnapLogic. Like this, so many integration tools will be there. Okay, so there are lot many integrations tools out there. Why I want to learn this MuleSoft? Okay, because I already explained. So easy installation, no coding, and then more demand in the market. Okay, there is no competitor. Okay, so that's why we are choosing this MuleSoft. Okay, almost fast 5 years onwards, it plays an important role in in the integration technology. Okay, I can say there is no competitor up to now. Okay, maybe in future, okay, after 5 or 6 years, Workato it will come as a competitor to this Mules. But right now, if you take in India, Workato openings will be 5 to 10 openings will be there. But if you take MuleSoft, 2000, 3000 openings will be there. Okay, I cannot say this competitor right now. Maybe after 5 or 6 years this will come, but up to 5 years or 6 years, what these guys will do, again they will improve something, right? So that again it will be more popular in the market. I can say 5 to 7 years there is no competitor for this, so that you can learn this very easily. Okay, after 5 years you will be in a good position. Even though if you join now, at least you have some experience, or if you don't have some experience, you can keep some experience and you will go, right, at least 3 years or 4 years. After 7 years total you have 10 years, imagine. So 10 years you will be in a good position, TL or a manager position. Okay, now, so basically, how we are going to, daily how we'll get the work. You guys are working, right? So daily how we'll get the work? Can someone tell me if anyone
Uh,
is
yes, actually, I'm working as a tester. Like,
okay?
my manager or lead, they will assign to me the QARR in the HPLM. I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to first I'm going to accept the QARR.
Okay.
So while accepting, I need to give the when I'm going to complete this project, what is the end date and actual end date and all. So
Okay.
then I will get the details in the attachments. Later, if not, I will directly ask to the developer or PM,
Mm-hmm.
to get to the requirement of the project.
Very
Later, I
good.
will start the validation.
Okay.
So the
So
main things that I'm using here is PLM and the treating, the defect log and everything in HPLM only.
okay, perfect. So there will be some set of standards and protocols. Here also same way. First very thing, if you go to any organization, for each and every company, they will have one client. Okay. Suppose if you take, why I mentioned XYZ company, here you can keep any one company name, Infosys, IBM, Tech Mahindra, any company. Okay, Cisco or anything. Okay. For each and every organization or company, they will have one end client. Okay. What this guy will do, client, he is going to assign a project to this guy. Okay, this company. Okay, So how we'll get these projects and all, that is secondary. These guys will showcase their works and their employees, their old projects, and they can showcase to these guys. Okay, if they will like these projects models and all, what they will do, they will write one SLA. SLA is nothing but service level agreement. Okay, this is related to client and company. We are not going to involve here. Okay, what they will do, they are going to assign one project. Okay, many people they will say, right, hey, on a project వచ్చిndi, I got one project. Okay, that means client is accepted and they give one task to this company. Okay, that we can call it as a project. Okay, here in our company, what will happen, we have some architect or scrum master or manager will be there. What these guys will do, the entire project, whatever the project is there, that they are going to cut it into small pieces. Okay, and they can make it as sprint. Okay, for each and every sprint they are going to assign 10 days or 15 days, depends upon the organization. Okay, whatever the sprint is there, that sprint they are going to assign in the Jira, Jira or ServiceNow, any other ticketing tools. Okay, we can call it as story or theory. Okay, this is the technical terminology. Simple ga, they are going to assign the work in the sprint. Okay, based on the story or theory in the Jira board, they will provide access to us. Okay,
Sorry to interrupt. I have one doubt. So you guys, you can explain. I mean, you're going to explain about the Jira, like how can we access the application project
yeah,
and all?
that's what I'm showing here. I
Okay.
can see here. Okay, you can see here.
Yes.
So here what we can do, we can add all the peoples here. This is the Jira. Okay, in this ticketing tool, so I created one task here. You can see here. Here I created Gmail API. I created one task here. So I can write whatever this API related to, that description I am going to post here. And I assign to this guy, Mulesoft. Okay. Maybe in the coming classes, I'm going to provide your name as well. I'm going to assign here. Okay. Now what you will do, what you have to do, once assign this, what will happen? Immediately you will get a mail trigger saying that this story or the area assigned to you. Okay, you have to work on it. So immediately you will get a mail trigger. So in the mail trigger, you will get one code. Okay, you have to take that code and you have to search here. Okay, there are so many stories or theories will be there. Okay, once you paste here and you can search directly, it will take to you your story. So what you can do, you have to read that story and you have to provide the estimation. Okay, that and all I'll show you in the coming classes. And if you have any dependencies, that means if you want to work with this, you need any credentials or something, you can comment it here. You can write a comment and you can save it so that other person he can see and he can help with you. Okay, this I'm going to take detailed session. I added this ticketing tool only this batch. In previous batches I didn't add. Okay, so based on that task we have to work on it. Okay, so here we have three phases in the MuleSoft: design, development, and as well as deployment. Okay, so here if I want to construct any house, first thing what we will do,
Plan.
plan. So plan is nothing but design here. What they will do, who is going to design this?
Architecture.
Architect. Okay, design architect, he is going to design that. Okay, based on our requirement. Suppose if you want to 2 BHK house or 3 BHK, if you tell him, based on that he is going to design this. Okay, so after completion of design, what he will do, he is going to show you that chart to you. Okay, or he can send a mail saying that, okay, bedroom it will come here, master bedroom, child bedroom will be there, guest bedroom here. Okay, kitchen will be here, that is open kitchen, hall will be here. Okay, this is a living area. Okay, like this he is going to explain everything. So suppose if you don't like what you will do, hey boss, So this, living area, don't keep it here. You can change it to here. And moreover, sink don't keep in the, hall. Okay. So keep it somewhere in the restrooms. Okay. Like this, you are going to guide him. So based on your inputs, what you will do again is going to change your design. Correct. So you will get the new design. So once you receive the new design, what you will do?
We'll try to get the raw materials required for the construction
Very good.
material.
So you will get everything. Once you received everything, what you will do?
Start the construction.
Start the construction. Okay.
And implement.
So once you got this design, what you will do? You are going to hand over this design to the builder. Okay. What this guy will do, builder, he is going to construct your house. Okay, based on your design. So once your house is ready, development is ready. That means everything is ready. Okay. Then what you guys will do?
Builder hand out to the particular person.
Customer. Okay. Suppose you are the customer, you received that handover. That means you got the keys. What you will do?
Use the
And they will
printers.
test it. They will test the project and give it to the
You are
client.
going very good. So what you will do? You are gonna test this. So what you are going to test? Whether based on the requirement they designed or not. First thing. Second thing, whatever the POP or something, whatever I give, same structure it is there or not. Okay. And you can see the colors. Okay. Colors will be there in the proper colors or not. Okay. And then interior you are going to check. Okay. Cupboards, everything you are going to check. That means you are going to test your application. Okay. Once that is done, what you will do? You are going to enter into the house. Okay. So here also same way in Mulesoft, we have three phases: design phase, development phase, and as well as deployment phase. So in the design phase, we are going to use Anypoint platform. Okay. It is one of the application Anypoint platform. Okay. Once this design is ready, we need to start with the development. So for development purpose, we are going to use this Anypoint Studio. And then deployment. Deployment means live. We need to, send, we need to push our applications to live. Live means we can access. Okay. I hope many people are using WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
So in WhatsApp earlier, we don't have status feature, correct? So what these guys will do, they will work on it and they will add, some code to the existing project and they will push to Play Store or App Store. Okay. Here, Play Store or App Store is nothing but live. So here also for us, Cloud Hub is there. Cloud Hub or on-prem. Cloud Hub is nothing but live. Once we publish our applications to Cloud Hub so that you can access this. That means it will be in the live. Understood? So all the three phases will be there. For each and every phase, we are going to use these kind of softwares. Okay. So just now I explained this overview. That's it. Okay. Apart from this, I did not explain to anything. Okay. See guys, based on this demo, you cannot judge. Okay. What I will do, I am going to offer you 3 free of classes. Apart from this class, again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 classes I am giving, free of cost. You don't want to pay single rupee to me. Okay. Directly you can access, you can attend all the 3 classes. Okay. If you like, my training, then you can continue with my classes. Okay. So tomorrow, completely I'm going to talk about this design phase. Day after tomorrow, this development phase, and then deployment phase. I'm going to give you brief, explanation about all these phases. Okay. And now it's time for your queries. Okay. So before, if you answer, if you're asking any question, I can tell you some common questions and answer. Okay. First question is, okay, my background is into, different background. I'm into mechanical, I'm into civil, okay, I am into pharmacy, okay, I am into non-IT background, okay. So can I learn this course? Yes, obviously you can learn this course, okay. That is first question and answer, okay. Second one is, I don't have any experience, okay. Imagine maybe some ladies will be there, okay. So after completion of my graduation, I got married. So now I have 6 years or 7 years or 8 years gap. Can I learn this course? Yes, you can. You can learn this course. Okay. Next question. So I have, 4 years into non-IT experience. Okay. 5 years into, professor. I have 4 years or 3 years into field work. Can I learn this course? Yes, you can. Okay. These are the, common questions each and every batch I'm getting. Okay. Apart from this, do you have any questions? You can ask me one by one.
Um, yes, I have one question. This is Harika.
Yeah, Rika, go on.
Yeah. Do we have to learn? Do we have any prerequisites for Mulesoft to learn Mulesoft?
Good question.
Yeah.
Very good question. So you don't want to, you don't want to learn anything over here. I'm going to explain you from very scratch, very basic level to advanced level. Then I will take to you real time. So you don't want to learn anything. Okay. If you want to eagerly learn something, you just see the data formats. Data formats is nothing but JSON or XML. What is JSON? What is XML? You can have a look. That's it. That is fair enough. Even I'm going to explain in the class. If you want to learn that, you can go with this JSON or XML.
Okay.
Apart
So
from yeah, go
yeah,
on.
sorry.
Apart from that, you don't want to learn anything.
Oh,
I
okay.
can-
So I thought we have to know OOPS concept. So
No,
Alice says, yeah.
in Mule 4, we don't use Java and all, nothing. In Mule 3, we use Java. In Mule 4, Java is not required. Many people, they will say, if you want to learn MuleSoft, Java is required. No, it is not required. It is for only for Mule 3. Now we are going to use Mule 4. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions?
Hi Kishore, this is Ramu.
Yeah, Ramu, go on.
Yeah, how many projects we are going to do? I mean, we don't have the real-time experience and hands-on experience, right?
Correct.
So how many we will do it, and if it will be helpful, if we can do it real-time experience, and
Sure.
what are the issues we are facing it? So if you can show us and how we are implementing it.
Perfect. Good question. See, for design purpose, what I did, I created 5 real-time APIs. Okay. So first initial 6 or 7 days, what I will do, I am going to explain you from very basic to advanced level. After that, I am going to, explain you complete real-time 5 classes. Okay. If I open this is the course content. I hope already I shared this course content to everybody. You can see it here in the AnyPoint platform overview. I'm going to cover all this. See, here I added real-time APIs part 1, part 2. Okay, in this class, I'm going to cover 2 real-time APIs. Total 4 real-time APIs I'm going to cover here. Okay. And apart from that, I'm going to provide interview questions, topic wise, company wise, phase wise. Phase means design phase, development phase, deployment phase. And a company wise, if you are going for, IBM or Accenture or Capgemini, what kind of question they'll ask, company wise, I can provide to you. And topic wise, daily I can give you one assignment. Okay. And also I can give you 1 or 2 interview questions on daily basis. Okay. Apart from that, I can provide resume preparation at the end of the course, and I can provide you personal references. That means I'm going to refer, 20 to 30 companies. Okay. And the 5 live APIs in the design. whatever I showed you here, right? That I'm going to provide here. Okay. And in the development part, real-time scenarios, we are going to connect with the MySQL database. Okay. So here what we will do, we can load some records. Okay. That loaded records we are going to store into the MySQL. I can open you MySQL and I can show you how to. This is one of the project. Okay. These are the real-time things you will get. Okay. Daily, completely practical. There is no theory. Okay. No theory session. Theory I can provide complete material. Okay. Clear? Any other questions?
Sir, can you explain whether in that some conditions I cannot understand English? Can you explain in Telugu?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, I'll do that in the comment sessions. Okay.
Now, because that any point studio I'm not understanding properly.
Don't worry. Again, I'll take separate sessions for that. This is just a demo. Okay. I can
Okay.
explain you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, can you give me your contact number, sir?
Yeah, sure. I'll post you in the group. Okay. Chat box.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
One question.
Yes, go on.
Yeah,
Question.
see, like,
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
nowadays everyone is working. I mean, maximum guys will work, but the notice period is, getting a huge problem. So
Correct.
what is the, process, how you overcome this one? Because, I'm facing the same issue because my company having, 90 days notice period.
Correct. Most of the organization 60 days to 90 days notice. Okay. After completion of this course, okay, if you are confident, just put a paper. Okay.
Okay.
See, many people, some of my students after completion of course within a week or 10 days, so many people they got a job with a huge package, starting with 7.5 to 18.5 lakh. Okay. So because here, why you will get job very easily, I'm going to provide you all the interview questions like this. I prepared, some PPT, how you need to explain your self details, what is your roles, okay, then what is your project, okay, then these questions and all, everything I made a note here, proper questions and answer. Okay. If you take this PPT, if you go for any interview, almost 60% we are going to cover here. Okay. Apart from this, I am going to provide, so many interviews. See, these are the so many interview questions and answers I prepared. Okay. This is just not it started. See, this is Accenture interview. If you go with Accenture, what kind of question they may ask you? Okay, if you go with the TCS, what kind of question they may ask you? L&T. So like this, I prepared, so many documents. Okay, these and all I am going to share with you. Okay, so that you can crack that very easily. Okay, so that's why I created like this. Okay, so that you can crack the interview very easily. See, if you are confident, good confident, then directly you can put a paper. Okay, that is, that is one of the issue. I can agree with you because we cannot do anything. So many people, they will accept only early joiners.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sir,
Any other questions? Yeah, go on.
You
my name is
stand,
Ram.
okay,
Yeah,
go ahead.
go on.
Go ahead.
Sir, the thing is, right now already in industry, Mule 4 is established, or I think
Mule 4 is
3.4,
no. Mule 4 is established 4 years back. Okay. All the
4 years
organizations.
back, right?
Yes. All the
Because I want to show some experience around
correct.
2 years.
Yeah, no problem. You can show up to 3 years, 4 years. You can show, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, because 99% of the organization they are using Mule 4. Do we provide recording sessions? Yes, we are going to provide recording sessions on daily basis. Okay, we will create a one WhatsApp group. Okay, there you can post your all your questions, whatever the task I'm going to assign to you, that you can do it and you can post in the group. If you have any questions also, you can post in the group so that we can answer. If I did not answer, some other people they are going to respond. Are you going to cover Salesforce to Mule other applications? Yes, Salesforce to, yes, from Mulesoft to Salesforce, I can explain you how we are going to, create an object. Okay, how you are going to load the data into Salesforce, how you are going to retrieve the records from the Salesforce, that I can explain to you. Okay, that I already mentioned here.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, is it necessary to knowing about Mule 3?
Sorry.
Is
Mule 3
it
not
necessary
required.
to?
Not required. Not required.
Okay, the interviewer don't ask about Mule 3.
No. Tell them, hey boss, I do have a good experience in Mule 4. Just now I told you, right? 98% most of the organization they are going to use this Mule 4 on. The error handling also means.
Okay, they can't ask you like that. Okay, without knowing Mule 3, how you knowing about Mule 4 like that?
Is there any rule like this? Do we need to learn Mule 3?
And
No,
that
right?
is the previous version. That's why I'm asking.
It's not like that, man. See, suppose
Okay.
you install, WhatsApp in your mobile recently. Imagine
Okay.
that version is the latest version. Previous version you don't know. Okay, that is not a prerequisite for you, right? Directly you can access.
Okay. Thank you.
There is a huge difference for Mule 3 and Mule 4. You don't want to learn that task.
Okay.
Can we use Mule for staging records? Yes, we can. Any other questions?
Coming to,
Do
I
we
mean,
get hello, this is Red.
Yeah,
Do
go
you
on.
send the recordings after we finish in case I want to go back?
Yep. Yeah.
You do send records.
Correct. Every class I'm gonna provide this recording with you. So after completion of class within 30 minutes to 60 minutes, you will receive the recording. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
So
Perfect.
this
Thanks.
recording you can provide you 1 year access to you, so that you can access 1 year, up to 1 year you can access 12 months.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
and coming to the technical point of view, I mean, AnyPoint Studio has 350 components and connectors, right? So
Yes,
are
sir.
you going to talk about all of them, or are you going to use only few of them?
No, no, man, only few of them. All of them, no one will work. Okay. Even like Hundal founded that one, they never used all the components or connectors.
And how about
Very-
certifications?
Certification, yeah, I forgot. Very good. So guys, here I'm going to help you for MCD level 1, okay, which costs you around $250. Okay, that, so you can see here MCD level 1, it will cost you around $250. This you will get it free of cost. Okay, you will get it free of cost. Okay, I can share you all the questions and answers so that you can crack this exam very easily. Okay,
And first one is the developer, and then after that architecture.
these two are the architect, MCPA, platform architect, integration architect. Okay, if you want to do these courses, at least you have to work 3 to 4 years on them. Then only you can crack this very easily. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Fair enough.
Okay.
What about job assistance? Let's say I finish, I complete, I got my certification, I got a
Okay.
job, I'm offered a project that I
Okay.
couldn't do.
Okay. See, if you got a project, okay, if you have any questions, okay, you can post me in the group how I need to finish this task. Okay, I can give you guidance. Okay. See, if you don't want to able to do with my guidance, if you need complete support, we can assign one person to you, dedicated person. So he will take care of your complete project. So you have to pay for that.
Oh yeah, of course, it's different, not included in this.
Correct. You are
Yeah.
right. Just
Okay.
guidance I can provide you. See, this is your source, this is your target. You can do like this. That I can help you, but entire work I cannot log in and I can do it for you. Okay.
Yeah,
For
I
that,
see.
yeah, that
Okay.
help also
Okay.
I can do it. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Any other questions? If you don't have any questions, you can drop off. I have another session. My students already joined. Here participants almost reached 100, and also this is the max limit. Any other questions?
So what are the timing?
Timing, same timing, 7 to 8. Okay, guys, you can attend the next 3 classes free of cost. Same link. Okay, you can join.
Sir, one last question.
Yeah,
I
go.
think you have already repeated this, but then I just wanted to know, see, because I am completely from non-technical background, I don't have any IT touch. I'm from life sciences. So will it be easy for me? I mean, not easy, but then I will put in my efforts, but will it be okay for me to
No,
join
it
this?
will be easy only. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So
Sir.
I can help you. I'm going to start from scratch. It will be easy. Tomorrow we are going to discuss more about on this. Okay, I can show you some couple of examples and all everything so that
Okay.
you can see. And also I can show you how to get this vouchers, MCD level 1 voucher free of cost and all that we will discuss in the tomorrow session.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hope you will not cover only basics, you will cover the advanced topics also, right?
See, you can go through my course content. Okay. By saying this, okay, you will come to know. No one will teach all these concepts. Okay.
Actually, I'm not aware of it, basics, what is basics and what is advanced.
Okay, okay. No problem. I'm going to cover everything. You can crack the interview very easily. That guidance I can give you 200%. Okay. Okay, guys, please drop up. We'll catch up, tomorrow morning, same time. Okay. So I
Okay, sir.
can
Thank
share you this recording. Maybe, after 2 hours, I can share this demo recording. Apart from this, I'm going to send few more links to you. We can go through that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, all.
Sir, today demo class.
Yeah, just demo today. So
Okay, sir.
next 3 classes will be free classes. You can join. Okay?
Sir, when are we going to?
Sorry,
It is necessary to learn XML.
not required. Just you have to understand what is XML, what is JSON. Just go through today. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Thanks, all. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, all. Bye. Take care.